The Nexus is one of the main pillars of Cardimed. The project is going to develop the tools and the standardized approaches to capture and quantify the linkages between the water, food, energy ecosystem components of the Nexus. It is going to help the stakeholders to understand and address cross-sectoral challenges and measure the value generated by the nature-based solutions in terms of sustainability and circular economy potential. We are going to build on tools and methodologies developed in previous innovation actions and advance them with innovative elements to model the Nexus, measure and assess the circularity and sustainability of the Cardimed solutions. By involving stakeholders and considering regional factors from climate to governance, we will see how the MBS perform under different climatic and socioeconomic scenarios.